Okay, it's Jonathan Pedum here with Ray Cushing Shiva High School Engineering Club with the second tutorial, dos, for Electric Imp. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to navigate around Electric Imp's website, which could be complicated at some times, and also how to upload your first sketch, which is really, oh sorry, my mistake, Sketch is Arduino, first program, which is a bit confusing for people who are not familiar on how to do it. So I'll try to explain it as best as I could, and pay attention. So first, let's get onto Electric Imp's website. I should have told you to do this last episode, however, I forgot. Because it is required to set up your Electric Imp in the first place with all the, I forgot what it was called, the bubble up or whatever it is, to send up the Wi-Fi link. You need to sign in on the app on your mobile device. And to do that, you would have to create an account on Electric Imp's website. You just click on here, I'm already signed in, so if I click on it, it's going to go straight to my planner. But you just click on it, and it would say sign up or sign in, and you would click sign up and put in your information and do all that. So, once you do all that, this should not say this. This is what we're going to work on today. It should just say, blank, I believe, and it shouldn't have anything here. So, let me give you an overview on, what everything is. Here, this thing, that you're looking at is called the planner. And this is, basically, what Electric Imps are connected, what IMPs are connected, what programs running on them, and what's happening. Here on the top, this gray thing is its title. Here is its output. So this would be like if you have values from let's say sensor pin, you could print it out here. But for our case, in this example that we're going to go through in this video, it'll just print out hello world. And then you have IMPs, which would give you which IMPs are connected and their IDs. And then here is code, which is your code that will be going in next. And then documentation, which is like the wiki. And this is where I'm getting the example. By the way, this example could be found on Electric Imp's website. I'm using it. It's not mine. I'm not that profound, or I'm not that knowledge. No, alright, I can't find the word. I'm not that good at Squirrel, which is the code name. Not the code name. That's the name of the programming environment that is used to program Electric Imp. It's a combination of. No, it's not a combination. It is something like C. And I understand, for all you guys out there who have used Arduino and all that it's upsetting that all these different microcontrollers have to use different programming languages. I totally agree. Why can't they just have one programming language that's all the same? But the reality is that there isn't. So let's try to learn it. So we're gonna go through the first example code that they tell you to go through when you do the Electric Imp. This can be found on their website, and I'll post a link in the description. So I have already uploaded it, or not uploaded it, copied and pasted it into code. But for you, when you click on code for the first time, it's going to be a plus button here, and it's not going to say any of this. It's just going to say you're from where, I believe. Alright, so excuse me, you just click on add node, you give it a name, anything, and then you click OK. I named mine first program and test. I don't know, for me, I've had problems with uploading this onto Electric Imp, and I'll get into that later, so test only worked for me, but whatever. So let's click on it and analyze the code and see what's happening. So this here with noted by these two sideways slashes or whatever they call them, that's just notes. The program doesn't look at that here again. And the nice thing about Electric Imp's programming environment on their cloud is that it is color coded, which is really nice. And by the way, all of programming for Electric Imp happens on the cloud, so you have to go onto their servers and then upload it down onto your Electric Imp, which may be annoying, but that's the reality, and that's what we have to work with. So here, imp.configure is simple. It just registers the program, the Electric Imp and the program with the servers. And first program here, it says here, first program is what's going to go in the gray box. So technically, you know what? I'll change it to something else. And you could find an explanation of all of this on Electric Imp's website, and I'll post that in the description. So what did let's rename this. Let's rename. Give me a good name. Someone give me a good name. Mamish. It's a Yiddish word or something like that, but whatever. So mamash. All right, and then server.show is similar, if anybody knows Java or anything like that, to serial.printout or serial.println or serial.out.println. One of those. And this is basically what's happening in the output, or yeah, that's what's basically happening there. So you're gonna save this. All right. Now this is where it gets tricky to upload it onto your electric imp. So you can go to your planner. All right. And you're gonna see this. It's not gonna say anything it's not gonna say anything like this, right? So then you're gonna click on the settings. Note, your electric imp has to be connected to the internet, meaning that it has to be all ready to go. If it isn't, then you're gonna get errors, and mine may not, because it may have just like zoned out for a reason, which is really annoying. But let's see. So we're gonna put to upload a program onto your electric imp, you click on this. They're called nodes, and then you click on the settings, and then you click which program you want to upload, and then you click edit, and then you click this play button, right? You see that? And that's going to upload it to your electric imp. And damn it, why doesn't it say Momish? Right, I don't know why I didn't say Momish, but let's change this to Momish. Damn it. Oh, this better not be doing this to me. It better not be doing this. Alright, so that's not really the big deal. Let me just change it to show you. Alright, you know what? I won't change it to show you. I'll just use this, which is actually really useful. Find first program, replace with Momish. Alright, replace all. Okay, now we're gonna save and upload. So let's go to planner and let's see where the action's happening. And now apparently my electric imp is not connected, so therefore I'll unconnect it and connect it again, and this should work. Alright, as you can see, it's working. It says Mamish, hello world. And that is your first electric imp program. If you have any questions or anything, please comment. I'll try as best of my ability to answer your questions. And, or one of my friends from the rest of the club will try to answer. And that's it. Congrats. Please subscribe and comment.